Acts
Acts
chapter 23,
chapter 23,
21 to
21 to
chapter 23,
chapter 23,
30.
30.
But do not be
But do not be
persuaded
persuaded
by them,
by them
for more than 40
for more than 40
of their men
of their men
are lying in
are lying in
ambush for him,
ambush for him,
who have bound
who
themselves
have bound themselves
by an oath
by an oath
neither to eat
neither to eat
nor drink
nor drink
till they have killed him.
till they have killed him.
And now
And now
they are ready,
they are ready,
waiting for your consent.
waiting for your consent.
So the tribune
So the tribune
dismissed the young man,
dismissed the young man,
charging him,
charging him,
tell no one
tell no one
that you have informed me
that you have informed me
of these things.
of these things.
Then he called
Then he called
two of the
two of the
centurions
centurions
and said,
and said,
get ready
get ready
200 soldiers
200 soldiers
with 70 horsemen
with 70 horsemen
and 200
and 200
spearmen
spearmen
to go
to go
as far as Caesarea
Caesarea
at the third hour
at the third hour
of the night.
of the night.
Also provide mounts
Also provide mounts
for Paul
for Paul
to ride and bring him
to ride and bring him
safely
safely
to Felix
to Felix
the governor.
the governor.
And he wrote a letter to this effect.
And he wrote a
Letter to this effect. Claudius Lysias
Claudius Lysias
to His Excellency
to his excellency
the governor Felix,
the governor Felix.
greetings.
Greetings.
This man was seized by
This man was seized by
the Jews
the Jews
and was about to be killed by
and was able to be killed by
them.
them.
When I came upon them
When I came upon them
with the soldiers
with the soldiers
and rescued him,
and rescued him,
having learned that
having learned that
he was a Roman citizen
he was a Roman citizen
and desiring to know the
and desiring to know the
charge for
transfer
which they were
which they were
accusing him.
accusing him.
I brought him
I brought him
down
down
to their council.
to the council.
I found that
I found that
he was being accused
he was being accused
about questions of their law,
about questions of their law,
but charged with nothing deserving
nothing deserving
death
death
or imprisonment.
and
And when it was
when it was
disclosed
disclosed
to me
to me
that there would be a
that there would be a
plot against the man,
blood against the man,
I sent him to you
I sent him to you
at once,
at once,
ordering
ordering
his
his
accusers
accusers
also to state
also to stay
before you
before you
what they have against him.
what they have against him.
Acts
Acts
chapter 23,
chapter 23,
31 to
31 to
chapter 24,
chapter 24,
5.
5.
So the soldiers,
So the soldiers,
according to their instructions,
according to their instructions,
took Paul
took part
and brought him by night
and brought him by night
to Antipatris.
to Antipatris.
And on the next day,
And on the next day,
they returned to the
they returned to the
barracks,
barracks,
letting the
letting the
horsemen go on
horsemen go on
with him.
with him.
When they had come to Caesarea,
when had come to Caesarea
and delivered the letter to the governor.
and member
And
governor
delivered
and delivered
the letter
the letter
to the governor.
to the governor.
They presented Paul
They presented Paul
also before him.
also before him.
On reading the letter,
On reading the
he
letter,
asked
he asked
what province
what province
he was from.
he was from.
And when he learned that
And when he learned that
he was from Cilicia,
he was from Cilicia,
he said,
he said,
I will give you a hearing
I will give you a hearing
when your accusers arrive.
when you were accused, Sir.
And he commanded him
And he commanded him
to be guarded in Herod's
to be guarded in Herod's
praetorium.
praetorium.
Acts
Acts
chapter 24.
chapter 24.
And after 5 days,
And after 5 days,
the high priest
the high priest
Ananias
Ananias
came down with some elders
came down with some elders
and a spokesman,
and a spokesman,
one Tertullus.
Tertullus.
They laid before the governor
They laid before the governor
their case
their case
against Paul,
against Paul,
and when he had
and when he had
been summoned,
been summoned,
Tertullus began to accuse him,
Tertullus began to against him,
saying,
saying,
Since through you we enjoy much peace,
we enjoy much
and since
and since
by your foresight,
by your foresight,
most excellent Felix,
most excellent faith,
reforms are
reforms are
being made
being made
for this nation
for this nation
in every way
everywhere
and everywhere.
and everywhere.
We accept this
We accept this
with all gratitude,
with all gratitude,
but
but
to detain
to detain
you
you
no further,
no further,
I beg you
I beg you
in your kindness
in your kindness
to hear us briefly,
to hear us briefly,
for we have found this man
for we have found this man
a plague,
a plague,
one who stirs up
one who sets up
riots
right
among all the Jews
among all the Jews
throughout the world,
throughout the world,
and is a
and is a
ringleader
ringleader
of the sect
of the sect
of Nazarenes.
of the Nazarenes.